Maybe you've watched my video about text pasting as boxes in Illustrator and you are using Affinity or Inkscape and you could indeed paste the text. So what's happening then? Let's copy some text from here and then I'm going to Affinity and let's create a text and paste this, and you see we actually get the nice text here. So I'm going to zoom in, but when I now select that, and you see it should be Helvetica but doesn't look at all like Helvetica, and when I switch to different fonts then you see it changes a little, but I cannot really format that. The same goes for Inkscape. When pasting that into Inkscape, you see we get the same looking text, but again, we cannot format that. So when having this problem with Inkscape or Affinity, although you do not see boxes, you first need to convert that Unicode back to real text and then you can use it in your app.